Hi, I'm Sadun Perera.
Hi, I'm Khiren Menon.
I'm Ahsan Saleem.
Guys, this is the Lab 5 VHDL programming preliminary. Over here, this is the program that we use to send the code to the board, Impact. Over here is the die decoder. This is a very basic decoding that aligns DCBA values with standard binary values of 1 through to 6. Over here is our die counter.
Yeah. So here we have the die counter. Basically, it explains the code is that's being executed on the chip. So basically, it's a nested if loop that goes from 1 to 6. And so how the code starts is it checks for the reset, if the reset button is pressed. If it is, then it will reset back the die count to 1. Else if that means if it's not pressed, it'll just continue checking with the clock on the board and adding +1 to the die count and move along. Then we will move on to Khiren, who will explain the board here.
So this is the JTAG, and as you can see here, this is the C mode. So the code will run through the JTAG and will be stored in the C mode. As you can see here, the clock is set here, and it changes the dice module. So you can see the dice module runs like this. So if I press this reset button, you reset to 1. That's all. Thank you.